Hey there guys, my name is Marcus, and in this video I will show a simple way how you can easily withdraw or transfer crypto from Uphold to your TrustWallet application. So what you want to do in Uphold, you want to simply click from and choose an account. So you're going to choose like Bitcoin here or whatever you have in your account here. Then you're going to have two, and you want to click on it. And you don't want to click cryptocurrency, equities, or national currencies. You want to click crypto networks. And again, you're going to choose a pair here. So I have Bitcoin. So I'm going to click Bitcoin. And then you would have how much money you want to actually withdraw. Then you would click preview withdrawal. I won't be able to access it, but there will be like address here when you're going to click preview withdrawal. Then what you need to do is to simply go to your Nox player, not Nox player, but your app. And you want to click receive, and you want to click Bitcoin or whatever pair you have, and then you want to simply copy the address here and you want to paste it. So right when you're going to click preview withdrawal, you will just paste your address and you're good to go. So thank you very much guys for watching. If you're gonna have any questions, ask me down in the comments, and have a great day and goodbye. See ya!